If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? I hope you're all doing fantastic out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here for a recap of an entry I had going on the Nadex 5-minute binary options here for this AUD USD position, where I got into a buy position for 4 contracts with a total profit potential of $120 at expiration here. Leading up to this position, the first thing I looked for is the overall momentum and if there was a potential trend reversal here. I noticed a trend reversal as the center Bollinger Band and the Bollinger Bands overall began to contract and then also start to slope out towards a sideways move. That's when we had a breach of the center Bollinger Band with a strong bullish candle crossing over and establishing a new support just above this strike that I entered on here. So as you can see, as I zoom in here, I begin to highlight there a little more. You can see that we're starting to see a great short-term upward trend here just beyond the strike. And with just a little over a minute left until expiration here, it is a very straightforward position looking to hold for the full profit potential. So a couple things that we have going in our favor here is the overall short-term trend in the recent history is an upward trend with a lot of strong bullish candles, as you can see here. For every red candle that we have a strong bullish engulfing candle leaping back up to the upside, especially beyond our strike and the center Bollinger Band. That center Bollinger Band also acts as a secondary area of support just in case we have a minor pushback, kind of like what we're seeing here. But with only 30 seconds remaining until expiration here, it will not be enough to breach our strike. You can see that long wick activity pushing back to the upside, so they're not even going to get a strong chance to go against our position here. Just about 10 seconds remain here until expiration. Seeing the bullish sentiment stepping back in, of course. 3 seconds. And there it is, a fantastic short-term position there. Only held that position for about 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I waited for that bullish confirmation over the center Bollinger Band, establishing that new temporary support and also having that center Bollinger Band in confluence with our entry to give an extra added layer of support and confirmation that we were going to see a continued upward bullish trend for an overall short-term trend reversal from the previously downward sloping trend. This trend could continue, but that matters not as we were just looking for a short-term entry there. Also, in combination, we had a well-established in-the-money strike, which also makes for a fantastic layer of protection on our position there. If you want to see a more detailed but still simple and straightforward breakdown of how I find these perfect storm trading entries for more consistent long-term trading results, then be sure to check out my Informed Traders educational package, where I cover in a multi-video series exactly which indicators I like to use and how I combine them together to find entries just like what you see here in this video. Alternatively, I do offer the shadow trading program where you can get access to any time I enter and exit a trade 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If those sound interesting to you, those resources are down in the description and the comments below. Otherwise, please be sure to like and subscribe for more content just like this, and I'll be sure to incorporate more trade breakdowns in the future as well. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day out there today. Catch you next time. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together.